Hey everyone, welcome to Biking Diary and a very good morning from Lucknow. Yeah, I had to think where we are exactly. We are in Lucknow right now. We're going to start for Uttarakhand. Our goal for the day is Pithoragarh. And last night we stayed in this hotel. It is called... Yep, the Golden Sky. Really bad service, not great. The rooms are also not great. So I would absolutely not advise anyone to stay here unless you have to. The only plus point about this hotel is that it's bang on the highway. Yep, that's the highway that we would be taking. So no detour. That's the only positive about this hotel. The weather god is not helping us. If you can see, it's been raining. We have a long ride ahead. I hope as soon as we leave the Lucknow area, things would look better. But looking at the sky, it doesn't look too good. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Be it rain, be it anything, we will absolutely reach our destination. With that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the road. The time is 8 a.m. and we have started on our journey towards Pithoragarh. As per Google, it should take us 10 hours 34 minutes. So I'm guessing it should take us anywhere from 12 to 13 hours with breaks included. It's going to be a long day. The distance is not much. It's just 453, but we are going to be hitting the hilly terrain today, baby. Yeah, really too much excitement. So yeah, really excited about that. Can't wait to be there. I just hope rain god doesn't play spoil sport with us. With that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys once I get out of Lucknow city limits. Oh, look at all the greenery. Look at all the greenery around. It's beautiful. Hey everyone, this is Sanjay. We met him at a tea stall here. We are going to have some puri sabzi and Sanjay has a message for everyone. बोलिए.
मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में.
थोड़ा और जोर से बोल दीजिए.
मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में हैं, नवाबों के शहर में.
मुस्कुराइए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, लखनऊ में हैं आप. Alright guys, not sure if you can hear me, but as usual it has started raining. We just stopped at a petrol pump here to put on our rain gear and we will start once again, but this is really playing a spoil sport. We are not able to cover the distance and it it has an impact on your mood also, because we're supposed to have fun, and this isn't fun. This is absolutely not fun. Though it's an adventure, but I'm not really the kind of guy who appreciates rain adventure. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna hit the road right now, and I'll see you guys back on the road. Hey guys, the time is 9:51 and we haven't even done 100 kilometers from Lucknow, and we had to stop because of rains. The last, I don't know, 20-30 kilometers we got pretty heavy rain, and right now it looks like it has no, it's still drizzling. It's drizzling very lightly. It's not catching on the camera, but it's still drizzling. It's making our travel that much more difficult, because you can look at the road conditions, completely wet. Doesn't give us the confidence to, you know, get those miles done with. So right now we are taking a tea break. We want to decide on our next course of action, and we'll see from there. And as soon as we decide, I will keep you guys updated. Until then, ciao. चलो Alright guys, latest update. Time is 11:47 and I actually checked the distance we have covered so far. It's 92 kilometers. Yeah, 92 kilometers and we have been out for what?
3 hours.
3 hours. It's all because of this. And that's my bike and Harry's bike right there. हम लोग का हालत लिटरली भीगी बिल्ली सा हालत है. दोनों भीग गए हैं और our current plan is we are gonna check in a hotel in Sitapur. Sitapur is about maybe 10-15 kilometers from here maximum. We will spend the day. Hope tomorrow is a better day because it's impossible to ride under these conditions, especially when you're wet. Impossible, really difficult. So yeah, this is what it's gonna be. Harry, say anything?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I mean, yeah, all good, all good. We haven't ridden much, but otherwise good. A different experience altogether.
We really didn't want this experience. We didn't want it. We wanted adventure. We stepped out seeking for adventure, but not this kind of adventure. What do you say?
I don't know. I mean, if it's adventure, we can't really be choosy about the adventure. It just comes along your way.
Okay,
So, yeah.
that's a good way to look at it.
So yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Happens.
All right, with that,
Hopefully tomorrow is a better day.
yes, with that it happens. And hoping that tomorrow is going to be a better day. I'll see you once we check in into our hotel for today and night. Usually we check in for the night, but today it's going to be today and the night. And we will keep you updated. चलो बंधु निकलते हैं. Alright guys, we are starting again. We hope to get a proper decent hotel in Sitapur. Let's see. So far nothing has worked out as we had hoped to. So let's see what happens. रूम होगी हाँ जी लेट्स फाइंड आउट ना हाँ ठीक है यार इतना भीग गया और अभी 2 जन हाँ हाँ कल हाँ जी सुबह 7-8 बजे तक निकल जाएंगे Alright guys, I'm gonna end day 3 vlog right now. It's been nothing short of hell of a ride. We barely covered 120 kilometers, maybe even less. I'm not even sure. It's been raining cats and dogs. We have been completely drenched, starting from our jacket to the socks. Everything has been drenched. We finally decided to stop at Sitapur. We got this hotel. It's called Hotel Apple. It costed us 1500 rupees, and this also includes breakfast for tomorrow. It's been a long day, short ride, but that's what it is. Hopefully tomorrow the weather gods will have some mercy on us and we can travel to our destination. With that, a quick tour of the room. And with that, we have a power outage here. Hallelujah. Yep, that's it. Even the bathroom is pretty decent. Let me show that to you. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked the video, though our day was not that great. But in case if you're enjoying our series, do consider subscribing to the channel and do hit the like button. It definitely helps me. Thank you. Have a good day.